Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's mini-series of 5 episodes we are going to show you 25 interesting facts about Korean K-pop bands that you did not know yet. So please make sure that you watch the other episode as well. So let's get it started. 1. Idols start young. Where do idols come from, you ask? They unquestionably do not originate from a mother and a father idol. They typically originate from talent agencies, who are solely responsible for finding talented children. As significant as their talent is the fact that they are young. Rich and poor parents alike will subject their kids to arduous dance lessons. Some of them will choose not to send their children to regular schools for this, while others will enroll them in special schools where they will learn to dance and sing. 2. Their contracts are exploitative at around 12 or 13. Most celebrities sign contracts with management companies. They are obviously not idols yet, and probably won't be for many years. They are trainees, in reality. They are required by the contract to attend classes on how to become an idol, and it also specifies how much these classes will cost them. The cost is imposed as debt, which the idol must repay over the course of the following 10 years. Before they reach adulthood, an idol is unlikely to see any of the money they earn via their agency. 3. Girl idols have their diets managed. This comes as no surprise considering the fact that many industries would indirectly compel women to diet as a result of societal pressure. It's not just that female idols in K-pop have diets, though. Their contracts require them to follow rigorous diet plans that forbid them from consuming particular foods. If they eat outside of their contract, they risk being fired or being penalized. Some people are even contractually forced to use diet medicines, which can cause dependence. 4. Idols cannot talk to people of the opposite sex. Some people view this as both a rule and a safety measure. Some idol fans may occasionally become a little too giddy for their idols. When they see someone they perceive to be a love rival, this exhilaration may turn unpleasant. The issue has gotten so bad that talent agencies have started requiring that idols be completely barred from interaction with the other sex. 5. Idols cannot travel alone. This safety feature is plausible, but it also has a menacing undertone. If an idol traveled alone, there are plenty of people who would take advantage of them. However, there are just as many people who might end up letting an idol know just how confined they actually are. Even if there isn't much of a chance for it to happen, an idol's security detail is there to make sure they don't run into anything or anyone that might tempt them to escape. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.